Hello everyone, let us evaluate this integral. Integral of logarithm of tan of x upon 2 divided by sin x integral with respect to x. To evaluate this integral, first of all consider given integral I is equal to integral of log of tan of x upon 2 divided by sin x integral with respect to x. This integrand is complex, hence let logarithm of tan of x upon 2 is equal to new variable t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivative of log is 1 upon this function, 1 upon tan of x upon 2 into derivative of tan of x upon 2 is sec square x upon 2 into derivative of this x upon 2 with respect to x, that will be 1 upon 2 into derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1, dx is equal to dt. Let us simplify this. 1 upon tan of x upon 2, that is nothing but 1 upon sin of x upon 2 divided by cos of x upon 2 into sec square x upon 2, that is 1 upon cos square x upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1, 1 upon 2 dx is equal to dt. Again simplify this. 1 upon sin x upon 2 divided by cos x upon 2. This can be written as cos of x upon 2 divided by sin of x upon 2 into this 1 upon cos square x upon 2 into this half dx is equal to dt. Now here this cos x upon 2 cancels with this square, remains here cos x upon 2. So this can be written as 1 upon 2 times this sin x upon 2 into this cos of x upon 2 dx is equal to dt. But you know, 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. This is trigonometrical formula. So 2 times sin x upon 2 into cos x upon 2 is sin x or sin of 2 times x upon 2. Hence, this can be written as 1 upon sin x with respect to x is equal to dt. So, rewriting given integral I is equal to integral of logarithm of tan of x upon 2 into 1 upon sin x dx. This is equal to integral of, you know, logarithm of tan of x upon 2 is t. This is our assumption. And we have obtained 1 upon sin x dx is equal to dt. So replace this by dt. And this is equal to integral of t is t square divided by 2 plus integral constant c. This is value of given integral in new variable t. But old variable is x and our assumption is t is equal to logarithm of tan of x upon 2. So replace t by log of tan of x upon 2 here. Hence, I is equal to log of tan of x upon 2 its square divided by 2 plus integral constant c, and this is value of given integral. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.